Today really sucks. Oh my gosh. 45-mile-an-hour winds, blowing snow. There's no accumulation, but you know, the wind-swept snow is making the roads really icy. And yeah, this is just no fun. Ugh. So far, what I'm seeing a lot of is just really impatient drivers. There is a lot of black ice out here, and people, you know, there are some people that are maybe going slower than they need to, but, you know, you never know. It could be somebody who's elderly or disabled or has bald tires, and so they're going as fast as they think they can, I guess. But I'm just seeing a lot of people, you know, weaving through traffic and cutting people off and slamming the brakes in front of people, you know, brake checking them, and it's not helping, right? It's not making anything better. It's not getting you anywhere faster. So yeah, it's just a lot of reckless driving, careless driving. So yeah, I'm just trying to get to my destination safely. Drivers like this that don't have their lights on is what makes it dangerous for everybody else. Well, that's kind of spooky, huh? I'm 2 hours into my shift, and so far I've done 2 jump starts and 1 lockout. It's primarily just, it's slow going, right? So all the traffic is moving slow, tons of traffic. And so it's taken me a long time to get from call to call just because traffic is all backed up. And so yeah, it's not as bad here downtown, but on the north side, it's pretty ugly. So I'm heading to my first call downtown, and we'll see what happens from there. Finishing my day today with 6 calls. I had 2 more. I could have had 8, but 2 of them canceled. And probably because the customers went outside and saw how terrible the weather was and just decided not to drive, put it off till tomorrow or whatever. But yeah, so 6 for the day. That's a pretty slow day for me. 6 in 6 hours. Usually I do a lot better than that. But, you know, I was out here, I was helping people. You know, I like driving in the snow and in the kind of the inclement weather conditions. So yeah, and of course today, you know, with the traffic, everybody going really slow because of the slick roads, it was really difficult to get from place to place. You know, it was taking me anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes between calls to get to the next call. So that definitely slowed down the pace. So, you know, ended up with 6, could have been 8. Neither one of the 2 that canceled met the GOA criteria because it's got to be 15 minutes. So, yeah, it is what it is. So, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.